We've decided to renovate the kitchen because at the moment it's just not user-friendly at all, so we just want to freshen it up. Our kitchen is a reasonably small space. We've got some quite old white cabinetry, an original eggshell plastic bench top, a really old oven.
The storage is not really set out very well. Above the range, we've got a bunch of spice cupboards, which is not very user-friendly.
There's about 2 feet above the top of the cupboards which just collect dust and other bits and pieces.
The extractor we have at the moment doesn't vent, so we can't cook steaks or anything inside because it sets off the fire alarms.
There's some older tiles on the floor. We're definitely going to pull those up. We don't have a dishwasher, so we've always got dishes sitting on the bench, not draining properly. It's not actually that hygienic. It's going to be great opening up the front door and just seeing a nice tidy kitchen without dishes all over the place. It's all just going to be a lot cleaner and slicker, really. We are loving our new kitchen.
The new layout is really great. When you walk in the front door now, you don't see a sink, you see the window and the garden, which is really cool.
The new cabinetry is really lovely because it's uniform. We've got a lovely wood finish, and then we've got some white overheads. We've got the extractor power pack in there, which is amazing because we no longer have a greasy house. We love that the new cabinetry extends right up to the ceiling. It means there's no dust trap. It's just really tidy and clean.
My favourite feature is our new floor. We've replaced our old tiles with real timber. It feels really nice underfoot and it's really nice to look at.
I was a little worried that the wooden cabinetry and the wooden floors might be a bit much, but actually it's just created a really nice warm space to be in.
We've got a new Caesar stone bench top, which is way bigger and wider, and it's really nice to work on.
We have a new brushed nickel tap. It's a bit of a feature in the bench top, and when we got our new sink we purchased a chopping board which was made to fit, which is awesome because it gives us extra workspace. It's really, really handy.
We're really loving our induction cooktop. It's our first time cooking with induction and it's really amazing. We've got a new fridge and we've got a new dishwasher, which is great. We're really enjoying.
Life-changing.
Yeah, it's really saved our relationship.
We decided to do the whole kitchen all in one go. It's a real treat to have brand new everything, and it's just really freshened the place up.
One thing we would probably do differently if we were to do it again is to try and have all our plans sorted right at the start.
Little things can actually bump the process. It's been great. It actually has opened up a lot of thought to other things we could do in the house, and it's kind of planted a seed, which is good and bad.